Before I started taking C60 Purple Power, my life was challenging. Not that it isn't now, but I can succeed in my goals unlike ever before. My health, I am 35 right now, but I feel like I was coming up against a couple health opportunities that maybe I wasn't overcoming like I was when I was younger. I have a lot of psychosomatic things going on. I came off of drugs about 8 years ago, and an addiction problem from like a lifetime long addiction problem. And about 3 months after coming off of that, I discovered C60, and it allowed me to regain myself and get my health back and my wellness back, unlike anything I had ever found. I decided to try the C60 Power because of the possibilities. I learned about the rat studies and it blew me away. Then I heard Ken talking about it. I heard Live Longer Labs talking about it, and the possibilities of it just kind of blew me away. It literally sounded unbelievable. And then after taking it for months and months, my friends didn't even believe me that maybe this stuff was real. The more I would take it, the more I would see in my health the actual benefits. If there's anything that caused me to hesitate to buy C60 Power, it would have been the cost. But I will also say that it's worth every penny by far. Every day I take between 10 and maybe 20 mils. But I feel like after I take it for maybe a month or two, I can almost go every other day. I love it, and I've never found anything that has me feel the way this makes me feel, and this is allowing me to work through my issues and be there in the moment and actually overcome my challenges unlike ever before. Taking C60 Power, the first benefits I've seen was actually my vision. Within a month maybe, begin to get clearer and clearer and clearer. I catch myself on my computer screen turning my zoom down more and more. In my workouts, my recoveries have cut in half or maybe even to none. Sometimes I'll feel like I've definitely gave myself a really good workout and my recovery will be very short. The next day I'll often feel not sore at all. I'll feel ready to go. I'm calmer. I'm able to stay more in control of my emotions. When I try to do challenging things, I'm actually able to work through them much simpler. Now that I take C60 Power, my life is stable. I would recommend C60 Power because I believe it would allow you to be your best you can be. What surprised me about C60 Power the most is how much I love life while I'm on it. I feel like I am myself. I feel like I'm here in the moment, and I feel like the sky's the limit. Spencer Beerman, and I live in Fort Wayne, Indiana.